Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to solve all the questions from page number 8 in Abacus Level 2A book. The first sum, 64 plus 31 minus 72. First take 64. Now add 31. To add 31, in tens rod, take 3 and in ones rod, you should take 1. Use the small friends formula for plus 1, plus 5 and minus 4. Now minus 72, minus 7 in tens rod and minus 2 in ones rod using the small friends formula for minus 2, that is minus 5 and plus 3. The answer is 23. The second sum, 23 plus 34 minus 42. First take 23. Now add 34. To add 3 in tens rod, use the small friends formula, that is plus 5 and minus 2. And to add 4 in ones rod, use the small friends formula again, that is plus 5 and minus 1. Now minus 42. Minus 4 in tens rod using the small friends formula, minus 5 and plus 1. And in ones rod, minus 2 can be done directly. The answer is 15. The third sum, 76 plus 14 minus 82. First take 76. Now add 14. 1 can be added directly in the tens rod. To add 4 in ones rod, the beads are not available. Use the big friend formula for plus 4, that is plus 10 and minus 6. Now minus 82. Minus 8 can be done directly in tens rod, and minus 2, there are no beads in ones rod. Use the big friend formula for minus 2, that is minus 10 and plus 8. The answer is 8. The fourth sum, 23 plus 35 plus 24. First take 23. Now add 35, 3 to be added in tens rod. Use the small friends formula for plus 3, that is plus 5 and minus 2. And add 5 in ones rod directly. Now you should add 24. To add 2 in the tens rod, add it directly. To add 4 in ones rod, the beads are not available. Use the big friend formula for plus 4, plus 10 and minus 6. The answer is 82. The fifth sum, 47 plus 22 minus 54. First take 47. Now add 22. To add 2 in tens rod, use the small friends formula for plus 2, that is plus 5 and minus 3. And add 2 in ones rod directly. Now we should minus 54. Minus 5 in tens rod directly. And minus 4 in ones rod directly. The answer is 15. The sixth sum, 13 plus 34 plus 42. First take 13. Now add 34. To add 3 in tens rod, you can add it directly. To add 4 in ones rod, use the small friends formula, that is plus 5 and minus 1. Now add 42. To add 4 in tens rod, use the small friends formula, that is plus 5 and minus 1. And 2 in ones rod can be added directly. The answer is 89. The seventh sum, 36 plus 22 minus 47. First take 36. Now add 22. To add 2 in tens rod, use the small friends formula for plus 2, that is plus 5 and minus 3. And 2 can be added directly in ones rod. Now minus 47. To minus 4 in tens rod, use the small friends formula minus 5 and plus 1. And to minus 7 in ones rod, do it directly. The answer is 11. The eighth sum, 23 plus 44 plus 32. First take 23. Now add 44. Add 4 in tens rod using the small friends formula, that is plus 5 and minus 1. And add 4 in ones rod using the small friends formula, plus 5 and minus 1. Now add 32. Add 3 directly in tens rod and add 2 directly in ones rod. The answer is 99. The ninth sum, 67 plus 32 minus 76. First take 67. Now add 32. 3 in tens rod and 2 in ones rod. And now minus 76. Remove 7 beads in tens rod and remove 6 beads in ones rod. The answer is 23. The tenth sum, 72 minus 31 plus 42. First take 72. Now you should minus 31. Minus 3 in tens rod using the small friend formula, that is minus 5 and plus 2. And minus 1 in ones rod directly. Plus 42. Plus 4 to be added in tens rod using the small friends formula, that is plus 5 and minus 1. And plus 2 can be added directly in ones rod. The answer is 83. The 11th sum, 34 plus 21 minus 12. First take 34 plus 21. To add 2 in tens rod, use the small friends formula, that is plus 5 and minus 3. And plus 1 to be added in ones rod, use the small friends formula again, that is plus 5 and minus 4. Now minus 12. To minus 1 in tens rod, use the small friends formula, minus 5 and plus 4. And to minus 2 in ones rod, use the small friends formula, minus 5 and plus 3. The answer is 43. The 12th sum, 23 plus 16 minus 27. First take 23. Now add 16. Add 1 in tens rod and 6 in ones rod directly. Minus 27. To remove 2 beads in tens rod, you can do it directly, and remove 7 beads in ones rod can be done directly. The answer is 1 to 12. The 13th sum, 47 plus 12 minus 26. First take 47. Now add 12. Add 1 in tens rod using the small friends formula, that is plus 5 and minus 4. And add 2 in ones rod directly. Now it is minus 26. Minus 2 in tens rod using the small friends formula, minus 5 and plus 3. And minus 6 in ones rod directly. The answer is 33. The 14th sum, 76 minus 32 plus 11. First take 76. Now we should minus 32. Minus 3 in tens rod using the small friends formula, minus 5 plus 2. And minus 2 in ones rod using the small friend formula, minus 5 plus 3. Now add 11. To add 1 in tens rod, use the small friends formula, plus 5 minus 4. And to add 1 in ones rod, use the small friends formula, plus 5 and minus 4. The answer is 55. The 15th sum, 27 plus 31 minus 12. First take 27. Now add 31. To add 3 in tens rod, use the small friends formula, that is plus 5 and minus 2, and add 1 in ones rod directly. Now minus 12. Minus 1 in tens rod using the small friends formula, minus 5 plus 4, and minus 2 in ones rod can be done directly. The answer is 46. The 16th sum, 53 plus 21 minus 63. First take 53. Now add 21. Add 2 in tens rod and 1 in ones rod, minus 63. Remove 6 beads directly in tens rod and remove 3 beads directly in ones rod. The answer is 111. The 17th sum, 46 plus 32 minus 11. First take 46. Now add 32. To add 3 in tens rod, use the small friends formula, that is plus 5 and minus 2, and add 2 in ones rod directly. Minus 11. Remove 1 bead in tens rod and remove 1 bead in ones rod directly. The answer is 67. The 18th sum, 52 plus 33 minus 71. First take 52. Now add 33. To add 3 in tens rod, you do it directly. To add 3 in ones rod, use the small friends formula for plus 3, that is plus 5 and minus 2. Now minus 71. To minus 71, remove 7 beads directly in tens rod and remove 1 bead in ones rod using the small friends formula, that is minus 5 and plus 4. The answer is 1414. The 19th sum, 32 plus 43 minus 64. First take 32. Now add 43. Add 4 in tens rod using the small friends formula, that is plus 5 and minus 1. And add 3 using the small friends formula in ones rod, that is plus 5 and minus 2. Now minus 64. Minus 6 in tens rod directly. Minus 4 in ones rod using the small friends formula, minus 5 and plus 1. The answer is 1111. The 20th sum, 37 plus 22 minus 56. First take 37. Now add 22. Add 2 in tens rod using the small friends formula, that is plus 5 and minus 3, and add 2 in ones rod directly. Minus 56. Remove 5 beads in tens rod directly and remove 6 beads in ones rod directly. The answer is 3. I hope this video was helpful. For more videos, please subscribe. Thank you.